If you love wildlife, you need to meet the Archerfish. These underwater snipers are truly mind-blowing. Imagine a fish that can knock insects off branches with a blast of water. Meet the Archerfish. These incredible hunters use powerful water jets to catch prey, shooting from surprising distances. Archerfish have mastered the art of precision. They adjust their aim to account for light refraction, hitting moving targets with stunning accuracy. How cool is that? Their specialized mouths create strong jets, allowing them to hunt in brackish and freshwater regions of Southeast Asia and Australia. These habitats are vital, so preserving them is key to protecting these amazing creatures. The Archerfish's unique hunting technique shows the incredible diversity and ingenuity of nature. Feeling inspired? Like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome wildlife stories. Thanks for watching.